2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12. I don't know, I can't count the starlings. There's loads of them out there at the moment. And they always descend once I've done all the feeding. So there's somewhere between 10 and 20 out there, I expect. They're not letting anything much else get a look in at the moment, but when they go, obviously the blue tits, the robin and the great tits and the chaffinches and all the other bits and pieces decide to come down. So anyway. That's enough of that for the moment. I now want to bring your attention to these red potatoes I found in the potato bin. I don't think that these really are going to be any use, and if they are any use, not sure quite exactly what to do with them. Whether all them chits need knocking off and redoing, or whether they're past their sell by, because this is quite a soft one. I mean, they're not all as hard as they could be. But, so I'm just wondering, is it worth doing anything with them, or should they literally just have the chits knocked off and used for something else, or thrown away? I'll leave that for you lovely people who know what you're talking about. Cheers.